Hello. Remember I told you a couple of episodes ago that I found a new road into the mountains, and it would be nice to go up there and check out what's going on. I think it's time to go back. Another day I will come back again. Probably this is one of the roads which goes up into the mountains higher than anyone else. Like usually I'm hiking up there. That's my training trail. Ahmed is down there. You can see Melasti at the moment. The views from here is just amazing. I just guess what can be up there. Just if I a little bit hike up so that I can see also Agong. That's what I'm actually going to do. Let's check it out a little bit more up. I will just check out the road, how far it's going. Maybe it's during the rain season I can come up here and just go to the waterfall. Looks like it goes there. Okay, now I understood. So this road goes up and then it goes down there, and it's all the way up down to the temple, and then it's down. So great, actually. You can actually, if there are someone who's driving motorbike pretty well, so then you can bring us like a small tour around here, especially during the sunset. It would be just amazing. So that's the trail I'm going. Now it's actually on the other side, but I've been going everywhere. I've been there, I've been here. So now I know every single place in Ahmed Mountains, all the trails. I think another day I will just do mapping. I will just draw all the maps, so then people who wants to hike in the mountains, so then you can find the trails and just do some hiking. This place actually looks like an amazing sunset spot. It's a straight view to Agong, and it's a way higher than another place where I'm been. And it's a little bit like a distance, so it's giving the wide angle view to Agong. If you know how to drive a motorbike on a bumpy road, so then it's really easy to access place, really easy, really fast, straight from Ahmed. I don't know why I didn't know about this road so long time. I remember that someone told me about it. Later on I found another one and I thought that's the one. So finally now, thanks to all the guys from the rice pads who told me to try this one out, thank you very much. So I found it. This morning popped up one Facebook memory from 8 years ago. That was a memory from 2013 when I did my bohol swim in the Philippines. And there was this video with this many jellyfishes. And it actually gave me a goosebumps, just because I still remember all these things, and that was like a kind of really terrible experience.
So this one is the second day. I'm here in Panggang Island. The first time I swam so long distance was 2010, and then actually it was I was actually just arrived in Philippines, and of course nobody waited me here, and you know that feeling that you are alone, there is no any relatives, there is no any friends, and actually it was like a scream in a space that, hey guys, look at me, I'm alive. And So I'm also between you, and I wanna show you that it's like I can do something. And then I was really surprised about the reaction of local people. There was, when I just came out from the water, there was really, everybody shake my hand and said that they are really proud of me. And it was a really nice feeling. And since that moment, actually, I feeling here like at home. And the idea to promote Philippines, it actually came a little bit later, and yeah, actually I really want to do it, and this time I'm really doing that for Philippines. But the main thing why I'm doing that is it's like a kind of meditation for me. So really, it's the only place where I can relax and I don't know, just think only about the moment.
I don't know, when I started it around like 3 a.m. I had to cross the Bohol straightways, a lot of ferries, ships and other stuff going and crossing. So that's why I tried to do it early morning. When I passed the Kabilao Island, there was this oatmeal of the jellyfish, non-stop, about 2 kilometers of jellyfish. And in the beginning I was just trying to switch off my brain. Then it didn't really work. I just kept swimming, and finally my armpits was swollen because it was so many stings. My lips was like Botox lips. It was just simply terrible. Thanks to all the crew who supported me and motivated me to keep going. And yeah, that was one of the moments when I almost gave up. It was like, all right, at the moment I was like just making jokes about it. Then it became really bad. There was it was like just simply billions and billions of jellyfish. It was like a kind of colony of the jellyfish moving from one place to another one.
Jelly beautiful. Sexy. So where we are going?
Just there's a white post over there. There's a white in a mountain.
Yeah.
And then down there
There is like a tower.
Yeah, like a tower.
So
Yeah,
we're going to towers?
Yeah.
Anyway, it will not stop me.
Okay.
I will eat you all. We'll cook and eat.
Sulog nih.
Welcome to the island of Cebu. Did you ready? Wow. You have a big house yourself. Just slowly, just slowly, slowly, just slowly. Congratulations.
But there is sorry, we cannot swim.
I think it's a time to swim again, but you know, in the Philippines is actually a way more comfortable swimming conditions than here in Bali, around Bali, because here we have such a strong currents. In the Philippines, it's shorter distances between the islands as well. In this particular place, I don't have anything. Maybe I have to choose another location, find some same place as in the Philippines and then do it there. But again, at the moment there's no way. Like I joked before, the people in the Philippines always ask why you did these swims, and I was always joking that I was trying to save on a ferry ticket from island to island. But to be honest, it seems really cheap. It's actually pretty expensive event, because you definitely need the support boat, especially if you're going to cross some strait between the islands, because there's a lot of boats, ships going, and then definitely you need someone with a radio on a boat. So that means you definitely need the boat. As long as there is a boat, it's of course expenses for the petrol and the crew. There are many cashews growing on this side of the slope. The cashews are blooming at the moment, so that means will be a good cashew harvest this year again. Last year it was really good. There are these cashews with popcorn and other stuff, really pretty tasty, and I always bring it as a souvenir when I'm going back home. It would be nicer if I can drive and film, but yeah, maybe I have to put something, I have to put some mount on my head and then try again. You can take a tent, put it here and just spend the night here, or you just take a sleeping bag, stars, view to Melasti. There's all these lights during the night time. It would be just incredible to be here during the night time. Thank you very much for watching me again today. Follow, subscribe, Instagram and Facebook, links below, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.